Well, he just opened it.
Drove the basket.
Whoa! Yeah.
Good shot.
She's up and away. Yeah. All right.
Good shot.
Nice job.
Good shot.
Hey, can you say thank you to Grandma and Grandpa Gunter?
Say thank you, Papa Gunter. Can you go run over there and look at the camera and say thank you?
Come here and say thank you.
Go to Daddy and
That's
say
the
thank
present.
you.
She likes that present.
Elle,
She likes them all.
go to Daddy and say thank you. Look at Daddy.
Say thank you.
Thank you, Papa Gunter. Say bye-bye.
She's like confused.
Whose birthday is it? Whose birthday is it?
Is it your birthday? Can you say happy birthday? Say happy birthday. Yeah. How old are you? You're what? 1, 2. Say bye bye.
Right, Grandpa.
Goodbye, Grandpa.